Welcome to the Secrets channel. Today I'm going to share 7 skills you must have if you want to become rich. Do you know who is Ralph Lauren? You'll probably say, I know, it is a well-known international fashion brand. However, have you ever thought that he was a poor boy when he was young? How can he become a billionaire from being poor? Even, have you ever imagined that an ex-janitor can also become a billionaire as well? If you feel interested in discovering a little bit more about these 2 men, or you want to know more about which 7 skills you must have if you want to become rich, then you are in the right place. Keep watching this video until the end because you are going to know 3 things. The first one, what are these skills? And number 2, why they are essential. And number 3, how you can benefit from them and become rich. By developing these skills and putting them into practice, you can reach your financial goals and secure a prosperous future for yourself and your family. Before getting off, if you believe that you can become rich someday, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you want to watch more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. Number 1, positive mindset. Firstly, what is a positive mindset? This is the ability to maintain a positive attitude and outlook, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Secondly, why a positive mindset is essential. A positive mindset is vital because it enables you to remain motivated and focused on your objectives, even when obstacles arise. Without a positive mindset, getting discouraged and losing motivation is easy. Thirdly, how you can benefit from a positive mindset and become rich. To develop a positive mindset, you need to focus on the good rather than the bad. Surround yourself with positive people and experiences, and create a habit of being grateful for the things you already have. By developing a positive mindset, you can believe in yourself and your potential to become rich. You can make it happen with the right attitude and actions. Just like Ralph Lauren's real story. Though he was born in an impoverished environment, he believed in himself that he could become a millionaire and wrote millionaire down in the high school yearbook as his life goal. Finally, now he becomes rich successfully. Number 2, adaptability. Firstly, what is adaptability? The ability to adapt and change as needed to meet new challenges or opportunities. Secondly, why adaptability is essential. Adaptability is essential because it allows you to stay flexible and open to new opportunities. Without adaptability, you may miss out on opportunities that could help you achieve your goals. Thirdly, how you can benefit from adaptability and become rich. To develop adaptability, it's essential to become aware of your environment and how it may affect you. Once you identify the changes, assess their impact on you and plan to adjust accordingly. Second, start embracing change and be flexible in your approach. Accepting and taking advantage of change quickly is essential for success. By taking these steps and developing your adaptability skills, you will be better equipped to become successful and wealthy. If you don't want to miss out on any new opportunities that could help you achieve your financial goal or want to make money online, feel free to click the links down below after finishing watching this video. Number 3, goal setting. Firstly, what is goal setting? This is the ability to set specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely goals and then take the necessary steps. Secondly, why goal setting is essential. Goal setting is essential because it helps you focus your efforts and stay motivated as you work towards your financial goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to get sidetracked or lose motivation. Thirdly, how you can benefit from goal setting and become rich. To develop a set goal, it's essential to start by creating a vision for yourself. What kind of lifestyle do you desire? Once you have your vision, create a plan for getting there. Set clear, measurable goals that are achievable and realistic. Break down these goals into actionable steps and set deadlines for each step. This will help you maintain your motivation and focus. Be sure to track progress and reward yourself when you reach milestones. Lastly, finding support, whether it's a mentor or even a like-minded friend who can help keep you accountable. With time and dedication, you can master the skill of goal setting and be well on your way to achieving your financial goal and becoming rich. Before going to the next part with mentioning an ex-janitor becoming a billionaire, if you feel like you've gotten the value so far, then make sure to smash the subscribe button and the like button. Number 4, persistence. Firstly, what is persistence? It involves the ability to persevere despite obstacles or setbacks. Secondly, why persistence is essential. Persistence is important because it allows you to keep working towards your goals, even when faced with obstacles or setbacks. Without persistence, it's easy to give up when things get tough. Thirdly, how you can benefit from persistence and become rich. To develop a persistent attitude, starting by identifying your goals and making a plan is essential. When you have a plan, it's easier to concentrate on the tasks. Then breaking down your goals into small, achievable steps is essential. This way, you can measure your progress and feel more motivated to continue. Finally, have faith in yourself and never give up. Taking Lee Shu-jin as a real example, he was a Korean janitor and worked at a hotel. The reason why he can become a billionaire is because of his persistence and launching a traveling app to assist travel companies and hotels in automating business processes. Number 5, financial literacy. Firstly, what is financial literacy? This involves the ability to understand and manage the finances, including budgeting, saving, and investing. Secondly, why financial literacy is essential. Financial literacy is crucial for building wealth because it allows you to make informed decisions about using your money to achieve financial goals. Thirdly, how you can benefit from financial literacy and become rich. To develop financial literacy, the first step is to create a basic understanding of the language of money. This includes familiarizing yourself with income, expenses, debt, assets, credit score, interest rate, return on investment, etc. Learning how to read and comprehend financial statements is the next stage. These documents provide an overview of your financial situation, such as a bank statement. Understanding how to read can help you to better manage your finances and make more informed decisions. For example, after you know how much money you can take to invest, the sooner you are going to discover that, the more you can invest and the faster you can achieve your financial goal. Number 6, time management. Firstly, what is time management? This involves effectively managing your time and prioritizing your tasks. Effective time management allows you to prioritize the most critical tasks and avoid time-wasting activities. Secondly, why time management is essential. Time management is essential since it lets you prioritize and concentrate on the most critical things. With good time management skills, you may save time on necessary tasks. Thirdly, how you can benefit from time management and become rich. To develop time management, the first step is to set clear and attainable goals so that you know what you are aiming for and can track your progress. Objectives must be explicit and measurable. Write down your goals and create a timeline for achieving them. This will assist you in concentrating on your tasks and being motivated. Next, prioritize your tasks and make sure to focus on the most important ones first. This will help you focus on what needs to be done and minimize distractions. It's also essential to take regular breaks throughout the day. Breaks can help reduce stress and burnout and help you stay focused when tackling challenging tasks. Additionally, breaks can provide time for reflection so that you can change your strategy as necessary. If you need to catch up, don't beat yourself up. Adjust your strategy and try again. Number 7. Communication. Firstly, what is communication? This is the ability to effectively communicate with others, whether it's in writing, in person, or through other means. Good communication skills are necessary for establishing contacts and networking, which are crucial for accumulating riches. Secondly, why communication is essential? Communication is essential because it allows you to build relationships and network with others. Building strong relationships and networking can open up new opportunities and help you achieve your goals. Thirdly, how you can benefit from communication and become rich. To develop your communication skills, you should focus on being clear and direct when you speak. Ensure that the words you use are easy to understand. Also, practice makes perfect when it comes to communication skills. Try to find opportunities to practice in everyday situations. For example, start conversations with people in line at the grocery store. Join clubs or organizations where you can network with people, or even practice conversations with friends or family. Developing your communication skills will better equip you to handle negotiations, collaborate with colleagues, and influence people professionally. If you want to discover how to make money online to earn more income, feel free to click the links down below now. If you want to know more about the rich, check out this playlist to discover more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.